everybody. Good morning. Yeah. For the second session, our friend name is Indra will be make the presentation about the analysis of cost of goods sold using full costing method in Keomas Factory. For the managing of the time, the 10 minutes will give to the Indra to make the presentation. And then the second session, we will give the occasion to the audience give the question to the presenter. Yeah, minimum 3 persons, and the timing no more 10 minutes. And the last session, we will give the occasion to our reviewer from reviewers 1, 2, and 3. And the reviewer we will give the time is no more 10 or 15 minutes. Okay, for the first session, we will give occasion to the Cindra. Please.
Okay, good morning everybody. Today I will presentation about my final project proposal. The title is The Analysis of Cost of Goods Sold Using Full Costing Method in Keomas Factory. But before I start my presentation, let us give thanks to the God, the Almighty, for the help given and the blessing. So we will be gathered in this room in this morning. I also want to give thanks to my 3 supervisors, Mr. Hamdani, Ms. Desi, and Ms. Susanti. Also my 3 reviewers, Mr. Harry, Ms. Bibi, and Mr. Toby. Okay, then I will start my presentation. The first is I will tell about the business. I'm sure everybody in here is know what is business, and in this modern era, one of the most popular business is home industry. It's because this business is simple and practice. We can do it easily, we can do it in our home, and this business don't need a special factory or place to run this business. It's also can give us a lot of profit, and to start this business, we don't need to spend a large amount of capital. Next, talking about the home industry, I have one example. The example is Keomas Factory Home Industry. This business is engagement on the factory, and the main activities is producing, distributing, and selling the bread. But before the bread is taken to distributing, the owner must determine the reasonable selling price first. The reasonable selling price, it means the price is not too high, not too low, suitable for customer, and can make the customer like to buy our product. Also can help the company to reach a maximum profit. Next, the problem on this research is, since this business was founded until now, they still have a relatively simple way to calculate the cost of goods sold, and it makes some costs such as carbon charge, electricity charge, and the other fixed overhead factory costs don't count to the cost of goods sold and make the cost of goods sold be lower and the profit will be slightly. So for this reason, cost of goods sold must be properly and correctly recorded. And one method that can be used in recording cost of goods sold is full costing method. This method counting all the costs related with the product either directly and indirectly, and then charge it to the finished product. In this method also, factory overhead cost will report it on income statement when the product has been sold. And next, I will tell about the theoretically in this research. The first is about cost. Generally, cost is cash or value, the money, the price, or something to be sacrificed to obtain good or service. According to Hansen and Mowen, cost is a cash or equivalent of cash, which is sacrificed to obtain good and service, which that are expected benefit future to the organization, and cost related to the production can be called cost of goods sold. According to Garrison and Norin, cost of goods sold is the form of costs associated with the production of goods and that are computed in one period. And the cost of calculating the cost of goods sold is to determine the selling price, determine the policy in sales as a guidance to purchase goods or equipment or supplies, and to calculate profit and loss therein. And next is the selling price. The selling price is the markup plus cost of goods sold. What is markup? Markup is the base of the percentage of cost charged to base cost, including the desired profit from the owner. And before we determining the selling price, we must always notice some factors that can influence the selling price. There is the customers, competitors, and the cost. Customers influence the price by their demand. So, if we want to reach a maximum profit, we must sell a lot of products to the customer. So, when determining the selling price, we must care about them. And the competitors, we must don't lose all to them and cost. All our production activities is relative to cost. So when we determining the selling price, we must calculate our cost. And next, the history of the Keomas Bakri. This company was founded on 2000 years by Mrs. Helmi. And this business have some division. The first is the leader. The leader in here, the task is manage funds and training all new employee and to improvement a new flavor of bread. And then the production section consists of dough maker section, which the task is make some dough, and next section is the brick maker. The task is bake the dough when the dough is already to bake. And then jam filler section. This section is the task is to fill the bread with the jam. And then the bread packing section, the task is to packing the bread before the bread taking to the delivery. And marketing section, this section including two sections. The first is the transportation section. The task is to delivering the bread from the factory to the customer. And then the marketing and distribution section. This section, the task is to recording the amount of bread which has been ordered. And the last section is cashier and administration. This section acts like a secretary, and the task is to recording all the employees' activity, arranging the salaries, and handle the order directly or by phone. And in this research, I have the research which I use a primary data, which I collected the data directly from Mrs. Hermilijana. I doing this research on Keomas Bakri in Kota Raya, Lokomotif Road, and I collecting data by using interview and documentation. Thank you. There is my presentation. I hope it will give a good benefits for all, and for friends who want to ask some question are welcome.
Finish? Okay, thank you for Chandra. The next session we will open to audience for make the question. We know 3 persons for no more 10 minutes. Okay, please. It's no question, so this subject is cancelled.
She needs your help.
Oh, yeah.
Chandra, could you please tell me how important of your research to Keomas business?
Okay, thank you for the question. The answer is the important because cost of goods sold is have a strong related with the selling price. So when they must determine the selling price, the first they must calculate the cost of goods sold first. So if they don't count it correctly, they will be experience loss when they sold their products.
So it means that the company can determine the real cost of goods sold for each unit, right?
Yes.
Thank you, Citra.
Okay. Next question. Maybe for the second verse. Yeah.
And this why you using full costing for the method to calculate the cost of goods sold?
Thank you for the question. I use full costing because this method is counts all the cost related to the product, either is directly and indirectly. And by calculating the cost of goods sold, I hope this home industry can get some maximum profit.
Clear? Please even. Yeah, I'm sure.
Repeat the answer.
Because full costing
It's suitable with your title.
Like he
Oh, you variable costing, not full costing.
similar
yes,
Statstrixio.
Okay. Next, yes, please. Well,
When cost of goods production,
cost of good manufacture.
when cost of good production, cost of manufacturing.
Yeah.
Cost of goods sold.
Once again.
Once again.
When cost of good manufacturing.
When is
Yes. Aha.
Diperlukan the same cost of goods sold.
Ah, okay. When cost of goods manufacture is the same with cost of goods sold, right?
Cost of goods manufacturing same with cost of goods sold. When the cost of goods manufacturing is less or plus it with the other fixed overhead.
And the other what?
And other fixed factory overhead costs.
And Bella, I'm sure you are agree. Oh, not clear. Okay.
Cost of goods sold, cost of goods manufacturing become the cost of goods sold, and the cost is adding with the some fixed some overhead costs, fixed or variable.
Okay, Bella? Clear? Okay. And next audience? Yeah, we will have time, maybe 5 minutes. 5 minutes again.
No, that is not the right answer. Cindra, do you understand the point of Bella's question? Bella's question is, when we treat cost of good manufacturing as the same as with cost of goods sold. So it means that the value of cost good of manufacturing same with cost of goods sold. When?
Well,
Plus ending inventory,
When?
plus ending inventory.
No. The value of cost of good
When it
manufacturing
happen.
is same with cost of goods sold. So it means that cost of good manufacturing also as a good cost of goods sold.
maybe you can make the detail of the income
Directly.
cost of good manufacturing statement. Yeah.
Say OGM directly
and link to the COGS.
Remember how to get COGS?
COGS, I calculate COGS by calculating the start beginning plus the raw materials, direct raw materials plus the direct labor cost plus overhead factory, fixed overhead factory cost plus variable factory cost, variable overhead cost, and it will be the available for sale, and then less it with the ending inventory, and the result is cost of goods sold.
Okay. So when COGM same with COGS, that is the way you get COGS, right? From COGM until COGS. No, COGM value same with COGS value.
One is
Set COGM plus opening ending inventory, right? And deduct with ending inventory, you get COGS, right? Now when COGM same with COGS.
setelah ditambah.
When the company didn't have inventory or zero inventory.
Is that beginning finished good plus COGM minus ending finished good, right? So the result is COGS, right? So when COGM value same with COGS.
When the opening inventory was zero.
Yeah. Okay.
That's the answer.
That, yeah, maybe. Next question from audience. No more? Yeah, please, Pak Heri, back to your seat.
No more question? At least to practice your English.
Maybe we give the one.
Yeah,
One more time.
Yeah, one question. One question again before.
We still have time because Nova only need 45 minutes, right?
No, I can give my time, some my times to our student
So
to explore in scientific forum in English, right?
No problem, Pak Heri. Only
It's okay.
1 minute.
It's okay. I just have 2 questions. I just prepared 2 questions. Only 2 questions. And one of question is similarly with our Ustadz Farid Syah.
Okay.
Mutia? Oh,
Oh, yeah. Maybe we will question in the front of this class.
maybe Sheila, you can ask the question in Netherlands. Netherlands, wait. Bujong? Bujong. No. Goedemorgen. Goedemorgen. I can.
No? Okay. Pak Heri, please. Or begin from Kobe. No. Oh yeah, Pak Heri. Okay, the next session we will change to Pak Heri Dimut for make the question. Cindra, are you ready?
Okay. Thank you, Pak Hamdani. My first question is about Keomas Bakri currently use the concept of cost of method of the cost. What kind of method that Keomas now using to count the cost of products?
They calculate the cost of products by calculate all the raw materials products.
All raw material. What kind of raw material?
It's on page
From
3R.
permipan. Permipan in English is permipan, right? Yes.
The brand.
Huh? Permipan in English. Permipan is sum of grain, right? No. Sum.
I guess so.
Yeah. Perempuan. What do you call ragi? Ragi. Perempuan.
Yeah.
Sum. Sum is sum of grain, right? Sum. In Pekanbaru we using sum. In Java we use permipan. This is one of grain. Okay. All material without salary, without electrically.
Usually, sometimes they carry their personal money.
So the company didn't separate the personal business and company business.
For beberapa tahun sebelumnya,
Okay,
few years before,
Okay.
they don't separate it, but now they want to separate it.
But now is refers to
They are prepared to separate it the personally with the
wait.
business. When start on the mid of 2012.
Okay, so currently they use method to count the cost of goods sold by count all of material, all of raw material. Huh? Yes. Okay, so that is the company method. And which one the wrong types of the company method?
They are calculating the other cost and it's make the cost of goods sold lower when the other costs such as transactions or salary get higher. The profit will be slightly.
Profit?
Yes.
Profit reported or real profit?
Real profit and they are reported.
How about the effect? How about the effect of cost of goods sold using by company method?
By company method, they don't calculating some their cost factor. This make the cost of goods sold lower when they're selling. The profit is slightly, and plus their profit is in their calculating is dari bahan, and their profit must be less with the direct labor salary.
It is connecting with company policy to set the price. Can you tell me about the company method now and how about the price that they have made it before?
They calculate all this product. This is for 40 batch, and then the total is dibagi 40. And there is the cost of goods sold and plus their keuntungan.
Their profit.
The selling price.
Can you write down to whiteboard how to cost of goods sold to make how company make a price from cost of goods sold by their method.
For example,
Yeah, and I want to know about the effect. It is more over or more lower than the real. And how about the effect for the profit reported tadi, not profit real? Ya, example tadi 1,000 rupiah, yen, yuan, rupiah, margin. Margin. What kind of margin? Profit margin, cost margin.
No, they
They just decide.
deciding profit they want.
Huh?
Keuntungan yang mereka
Oh. Selling price. Oh, they use. What do you call of this method? In our trade, huh?
Traditionally.
No, traditionally is not using by count, just make and feel how much I will sell. Ah, maybe 5,000. Okay. Hello, yes, yes. Can I have it? Yes. Yeah. Have you finished your transfer? Huh? Not yet. It's better that you have finished the transfer, immediately come to our room because your changer is not joining with us. Huh? Oh, it's okay. It's okay. 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 Yeah. I hope she will come before you. But if you finish, immediately come to our room, right? Hello. Hello. Okay. We call it in management accounting is cost plus not traditionally. Traditionally is make it and they don't count the cost and they just feel about the price. Go ahead. Okay. How about the effect? I don't see the negative effect about the company method. Yeah.
This design profit is in their statement. They name it with cost of transport.
Can you show your calculation about the effect? Okay, total. Maybe total of cost finishing to count before. Maybe for example 300 maybe. Okay. Yes, the all of the maybe 300. Okay. Now we think future, more future than us. You just say for 300, she count 200. Okay. What? How? What is 200?
The effect is the net profit will be slightly and the overall number will be their profit is sedikit lower, slightly
Yeah.
lower.
Lower than before. How about the effect?
The effect, yeah, it's the some orang, so their maybe their this money will not be their life or
about the management strategy, how about the connecting of this your underlying?
Increase your price. Yeah.
Yeah. I think if we talk about the purpose of company is to increase their profit. If they use that method, their profit is more higher than your method. So it's your method is not good for the company.
They want to know what is their actual
The real.
cost, the real cost, their sacrifice to obtain producing their good.
Okay, thank you. Coba ambil.
Oh yeah, okay, thank you, Pak Heri. And the next, we will give the chance to Pak Tobi.
Okay, thank you, Pak. First, so complicated for me because I must review in English, yeah. But I'm happy when I try to read your proposal. The one and only complicated in here is just the language.
Okay.
But it's not your proposal content. So the one and only is about language. Okay, I'll try. If you don't understand, you can ask me then, or ask me Santi, translate my English. Okay. First, I want to confirm about your problem. You state in your background that the problem is about profit, right? It's about profit. All of company, the real goal is to get high profit, right? And you said that in how to reach the profit, they must analyze all things in his business process, including his cost, right? And Mr. Harry have proven to you that their old method is maybe will give the better result than your new method. If you try to make a new method to this company, the result it will decrease their profit. So how you can explain this reality? They want to revise the selling price.
Because their corporate has that, this design profit must be less with the annual cost, and they expect the profit will increase slightly. So they decided to revise the selling price, and they want to know how much their
Okay. Before you continue your research, I think the conclusion is already clear now, because the conclusion is company must increase their selling price, right?
But if they increase their selling price and when the salary and other cost was higher, they must calculate it, hitung ulang. So they decided to use method to calculate their cost because they want to know calculate.
Why if they want to increase their selling price, they need to increase their salary or labor too?
Because if they don't just as they just this price is not calculated to also when they determine
company increase the selling price, the consequence is customer will not buy the product, or make efficiency in cost.
Maybe I menyarankan the price is
Sukesh.
reduced and the cost is diatur, but they say they must calculate it all.
What is the useful to the company when you make a real list of costs like this?
They can know what is how much they are paying for the cost, and then they can use it for the guidance to determine the selling.
Another, besides they know what are the costs that they spend, they also know in which cost what is not efficient, right?
Inefficient.
Yeah, inefficient.
But I think it's okay because when they want to increase their total budget, they must calculate the cost right.
But when they increase their selling price, it's impossible to improve their sale too, right? Because the selling price will be more expensive than their another competitor.
Just expensive a little bit, and I think it's no problem for the company.
Yeah.
You don't try with method to increase the selling. You can use think about it again to make efficiency in cost, not only selling price, but also in cost. Yeah, you have to type with the selling price.
Okay, I continue my question about this problem. You said that you will calculate about their cost of goods sold, and it will help this company to calculate their selling price. But I think there is no relationship between direct relationship between cost of goods sold and selling price, because selling price is depend on all of our costs, not only cost of goods sold.
I hope they will calculate the cost because they will calculate the cost of the sold correctly, and then plus the other cost of the sold. Maybe it's more account for them to determine their selling price.
No, I mean if this company now in current position, they are not using right way or right method to calculate their cost of goods sold, it's no problem, because when they still calculate all of their costs, they will determine the right selling price. So it's not about the cost of goods sold method.
But when they must with their cost of goods sold, they still must use one method, right? When they calculate their cost, it will be cost of goods sold. So I use their change for help their calculating that calculate the cost of goods sold, right? They still calculate the raw material cost.
Yeah. But I think if the problem is about the selling price, it's no problem if they are just calculate the cost of goods sold using raw material. They want to know the right cost of goods sold or the right selling price, or
the really cost of goods sold.
the really cost of goods sold or the really total cost.
The really cost of goods sold first, and then calculate it continuously to the really total cost. But actually, they so interested cost of goods sold.
In your opinion, what is or in our accounting theory, what is the useful of cost of goods sold?
For most, how much cost we are sacrificed to produce our bread, and for the reference to determining the selling price, and for the guidance in calculate our profit and loss.
Yeah, but you cannot directly relation between cost of goods sold and selling price, I think, because selling price is depend on all of the cost of the company. But cost of goods sold is only the cost sacrificed to produce or to sell the product. Because so many another expense that we must consider to determine our selling price. Okay, how many kind of product in this mass battery?
Just with some platform.
Bread. The price is the same. Price is same. The raw material is the same.
They said the difference is in the jam and the jam, the money for the other
The different
Indirect material.
indirect material.
Or
Indirect
jam.
so same raw material but different indirect.
raw material is the same.
They're just not same or jam. Cuma berbeda rasa, sama
No, I don't ask you about the selling price. It's about the cost. The raw material is the same for all products. It's about the quantity and price.
quantity and size. Yes.
The size of the bread is the same. All the products.
The set is same, but model berbeda. But the gram is same.
For each type. So for each type of the bread is the same material. The quantity
The quantity is same.
or the same.
Just genuine.
Indirect. Indirect. Different.
No same. Because the berbeda.
Jadi indirect or raw material.
The raw material.
Do you think like jam is a direct material or indirect material?
Jam is direct.
Direct.
Because it's the
What is raw material mean? So indirect material is the product is you can mix the product the shape. Before it's indirect is the for example without nail. Is this table to make table without nail?
polish.
No.
Oh, jam is indirect. Jam is indirect. Because without jam we can still
Make bread.
bread.
But indirect is the same with overhead, right? Still a component of
Cost of
cost of
goods.
good manufacturing.
Yeah.
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 But so do you think all kind of their products will be the same cost of good manufacturing?
Same cost of manufacturing. Yes.
Yes, the total.
Really? But the jam is different, right?
Yeah, the jam is different.
The jam
You said that
will
the
feel
jam is
the Jim, the fuel is different, right?
Yeah.
And the price for indirect material is different, right? So, are they same choice?
The theory for bread is same because the bread is same.
That's product.
Products different.
Kayak gini.
Make the bread is same. Just the bread.
Kayak gini.
Okay. So I
Kayak pela.
think you need to edit all of kind of product in this company and how much? How many products? How many types? Yeah. How many types of bread? Three. Only three gems. So you need to calculate three cost of goods sold. Yeah. Okay. And this question is about chapter 3 and data collection technique. Use two data collection technique in review and implementation. What kind of data you need to you can get from interview?
I got from interview, they give me raw materials data.
From interview or
Sorry. In interview is the history of the company. History of the company and the sections people. People for sections.
What about documentation? What kind of data?
What is the raw materials and that's the labor cost salary.
What document they use to write down their raw material?
They type it in one table.
How about in computer or
Computer.
okay? And then in data analysis techniques, number 6, you said that quantitative analysis is performed by calculating the cost of production in a way that is used by the company only. What about your full costing method? It's not quantitative.
Oh, it's I'm very sorry. When I editing this it's
Loss.
lost.
Okay. So we will compare the full costing method. Only full costing method only for cost of goods sold, right? Another addition for me. Maybe you need to add analysis how to determine selling price, new selling price, or how the effect of this your analysis to their profit in your chapter 1 part formulation of the market. You guys use 3 months. 3 months. Why?
Because their service, their was and I can calculate their other category overhead costs.
Why?
Their service, their equipment on 3 months. Very one time.
Okay. And maybe the last confirmation. In table 3.1, daftar List.
List of.
Lost in change to arithmetic.
Yeah, that's the
Actually, I'm not want to confirm that one. I want to confirm this production for 40 pieces or 400. 40. Because in the explanation of this table, daily production activities can must actually produce 200 grams.
Yes. So this is the.
It's not related for. It's not related with the table. Or no?
This table is for
40.
pieces, and when you want to calculate for the 400 pieces, you need to
Why you give information about 40 pieces? Why not 1 pieces?
one pieces is less
Huh?
less.
Why not 10 pieces?
Pieces we must calculate it to 4, and sometimes
Huh?
it's
Why 40?
40 because
Because 40 is special.
no, it's
Oh,
More
because
easy.
the total is 400.
yes.
Yeah. If you use 10, you can. Yeah, you can use first time. There's no reason here.
No, because the price of material for 1,500 grams cloth
Yeah.
is for 40 pieces bread.
Hmm.
And the company use 1,500 grams flour for 40 flour for 40 pieces bread. Just the reason. Yeah. And
It means that
per
company. It means that company only purchase 5,000 and 105,500.
no, that is package of
Yeah?
flour.
Yeah, this one package for flour.
Cakra kembang, right? Ya. Hah? Flavor. Cakra kembang.
One package is 1.5 kilo.
I person is
10 kilo, right?
10 kilo is what?
Yeah.
They purchase with
Or this is for one times production.
One batch.
One batch or one batch.
One row, is it?
Because the first time I asked you why do you make 40 pieces, right? Why don't you make it for 100 pieces or 400 pieces bread, as you say below the table, right? What is your explanation at the time? Because they give
Is for 40 pieces.
Oh.
Why? Because it's science that we make it because it's easy to membagi 40
because of their data.
okay. Real last question.
So,
What about electricity charge?
The electricity cost before they move their material, their lift in mereka tinggal di tempat pengolahan itu. So the electricity charge is double.
How can we separate it? This is for overhead. This is for only
personal.
selling expense or general expense. Huh?
That is before. How about now? Today,
They
different place. And your data is either from previous place or the current place.
is this selama kita
After
Allocation.
Allocation.
Cost.
Allocation.
Joint cost allocation
You already know why, right? Yeah, I think it's
in cost accounting.
Yeah. The same condition is to depreciation. Okay.
Thank you, Pak Nuri. Yeah, maybe the next reviewer is adding because because Miss Yevni we must finish it. Yeah. So for this seminar we will finish it and we will give the applause to the presenter.
Good morning, everybody. The last section for today. This is Yeni's turn to present her proposal for final project. Yeah, with the title is Fiscal Correction for Corporate Income Tax Calculation at PT Silas Indah Lestari Pekanbaru. As usual, we have 3 sections. First, 10 minutes for reviewer, for presenter to present her proposal, and then 10 minutes for audience to ask the question to presenter, and then 30 until 45 minutes for reviewers, each 10 minutes or maximum 15 minutes for each reviewer to give question to Yeni. And I'll give the time for Yeni to start her presentation, and you have 10 minutes to present your proposal. The time is yours, and you may pray first.
Okay, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning. The first, I would like to give you thanks to my first reviewer, Mrs. Desi, second reviewer, Mr. Advisor, sorry. The first advisor, Mrs. Desi, second advisor, Mr. Toby, third advisor, Miss Susanti, and also my reviewer, the first reviewer, Mrs. Yagni, she cannot come here. Second reviewer is Mr. Kelly, and third reviewer also Mr. Andeni. Okay, thank you for time to come and join with me here. I hope my presentation is not going too long and you find it can adore you and it can useful for all of you in here. Okay, the purpose of today's presentation is discuss about fiscal questions for total income tax calculations at PT Silas Indah Lestari Pekanbaru. And then I'll be happy to answer any of your questions. Let me talk about the background. Company has not done fiscal calculations. The company name is PT Silas Indah Lestari, where is located in Pekanbaru since 1 December 2009. And the company in the field of heavy equipment provider services, it is not done fiscal questions, where it has a cost where it's already expended, but it's not a tax or object of tax, so it cannot be expended. And the company is imposed by withholding tax Article 21, where it's a different recognition of payment, employee benefit, like overtime, bonus, and employee domiciliary facility, also transportation fee, it's still expanded. It still not have clearly how to collect, so it must be collected with by fiscal withholding tax Article 21. And why fiscal collection must be done? Because the difference of recognition in income expenses between financial accounting standard and taxation act. So there is have a cost like donations, employee medical costs, they're still expanded, but it's not object of tax. So in fact, it must be collected. The cost, well, it's not object of tax, must be collected because, and it's separated from the profit before tax. in order to not calculating, in order to not disturb the calculating of corporate income tax, and for influence the profit and taxable income in the future. The company can know the true reporting, can give and tighten the real true reporting based on tax legislations. So the company can know the payment is more or less in the future, can know the thing that can increase or decrease the taxations, and so the company can avoid the negative impact that will be received by the company because of the company cannot complete the obligation correctly, like administrative sanctions related to fines, interest, taxation increases, and even criminal sanctions. For the next, based on the background, the formation of the problem is how these corporations to calculate the corporate income tax in PT Nasional Pekanbaru. And next, the limitations of the problem is the calculating of taxable income in 2013 and installment tax Article 25 in 2014. And next, purpose of this research is to find out the calculations of fiscal corrections to calculate the corporate income tax in PT Nasional Pekanbaru. The benefit of this research. The first, for the company to access their taxable income by using fiscal correction to calculate it. The second is the research, to add the knowledge about the research, so they can know the what of this is, especially in the taxations. And the third, for others, they can know the knowledge about the taxation, especially in fiscal corrections. So who wants to research at the same problem that can be used as a material? The difference of commercial accounting and fiscal accounting into two groups. The first is permanent or fixed difference. It's because the difference recognition income expenses between commercial and fiscal, whereas the income expenses is already recognized by the commercial but is not recognized by the fiscal, and otherwise, because that the following thing must be excluded from the calculations, like the income as not a tax, final income as not an object of tax, expenditure is not related to business, like to gain, collect, and maintain the income. It must be separated from the calculation. And the second is temporary or time difference. It's also different recognitions in income and expenses. It's overall same, but it's different allocated each year. Like it has 8 difference. The first is depreciations of intangible fixed assets, amortizations of intangible fixed assets. The capitalized cost is a period of useful life more than 1 year. The fourth is the expenditure is related to recover to additional the fixed asset except for land, the rent, the inventory. The cost is related to gain in the capitalized in the company, and the backup of allowance for bad debt. And for the next, the source is I get from the PT Nasional study, and the primary source is primary data. They get directly from the company, from their financial statement, like commercial financial statement, historical, organizational of the company structure. And next, the calculation technique is interview and documentation. So first, I doing directly discussion with the employee or who will get with my object of this research. Documentation is a data collecting technique. Like I collect directly from the company, like commercial financial statement, historical organization of the company. And data analysis technique is descriptive and quantitative. That the step that I taken to analyze my data is the first, adjusting the income statement by classifying the income expenses, which must to collect positive or negative. The second is calculating the taxable income statement, which already been collected. And the tax payable in 2013. And the third is calculating the tax installment or tax credit in 2014. That's all. May have any questions? Yes. Okay.
Because the audience order is in silence. Fine. Okay, thank you, Yeni. And then second section for the audience turn. Give the question. Yeni. At least practice your English. Usually, what you want to practice your English. Why don't you try it? I know that you always want to try it.
Or Shanti Rana. Freeze. Oh, freeze. Hey, freeze. Desi Vio. Nah.
Okay,
Where lah?
In accounting profit different from taxable profit, whether to double book. Export month order in profit different can be accepted by fiscus and shareholder.
can you
If the accounting profit from taxable profit, whether to do double bookkeeping. Export order profit different can be expected fiscus and shareholder.
Yeah. And how about using the bookkeeping? Maybe it is some solution for the difference, so the company can explain to fiscus or to shareholder. How about using bookkeeping? We cannot use it or no?
Can it be accepted?
Yeah.
Generally, I will answer it. Generally, the bookkeeping is used a commercial financial statement for any kinds of company. So for the fiscal, we have to collect it, and the bookkeeping in commercial financial statement, it must be collected as a tax base. So the profit can be as a tax base for the fiscal legislations, for the fiscal financial statement. I mean that the commercial financial statement collected and the profit become the fiscal for the fiscal financial statement. So we don't prepare two bookkeeping. We don't must do it.
So there is no double bookkeeping.
Yeah, we doesn't do it. No.
No. The difference is.
May not make it double bookkeeping.
Yeah.
Maybe I can add additional explanation about this. case, generally, people know that there is a negative
Method.
Negative perspective about double keeping in text. But in reality, it must be two reporting for accounting and reporting for text. And in our country, it will be always happen. Yeah, it will be always happen because as a presenter said for us, there is a permanent difference between text rule and accounting method. Yeah? There is a permanent. Yeah? That's the point. Yeah? There is a permanent difference between accounting method and text rule. Yeah? So it's always be too good. Yeah? When we report to our shareholder, it's different. The profit will be different with the report to the government about tax. So it will be clear. Yeah? So there is no negative thing about double keeping in tax. There is no negative thing. But in general society, we know that double keeping is a very negative, right? But in text, it's okay.
Negative image.
Yeah, negative image.
Okay, good.
Is it clear, Vera? Is it clear? Yes? Okay. Next. Okay, one you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Wahyu Pramana. I'm from State Accounting. I want to ask ini. I'm not to ask about. I want to ask about last project. What is your final project? I want to ask what is your trouble when you finish up your final project, maybe from data company or maybe from another. That is my question. Thank you.
Okay. I will not answer you now. And my answer is, when I searching the object of my research in many kinds of company, I check it the financial statement, I check the inventory and many kinds of the company. And this company, I have difficulties like because I not have the people or relationship in the people, but I try to discuss and try to building the good relationships. Actually, who connected to my object, and they want to give their data like commercial financial statement to me, so they can discuss goodly with me. So it's make easier for me to get their data. Yeah, just that.
Okay, maybe I'll add one more your problem. You have to beg me many times only for background, right? Yeah, to make clear your background.
How many times?
How many?
Many times. Oh, uncountable. For background.
Only for background.
Okay.
And only for one thing, right? Is to remember?
One sub-chapter.
No, only for one statement.
One paragraph.
Okay. And then, okay, Ryan? One more.
I want to know how many days you fix paper one.
For chapter 1.
Oh, for chapter 1.
Maybe.
Almost 3 months.
3 months.
Maybe one day we can ask which advisor that so difficult to
Maybe in outer this room maybe. Okay.
Not here.
Not here.
Okay.
Maybe.
Other?
Maybe in cafeteria.
Next. Next question.
Questions from others.
Yeah, Elizabeth.
Okay,
What's your name?
my name is Elizabeth. I asked to Yamawati. I read a little bit of the problem for 2013. So I asked why you choose 2013 to become your division of the research.
Because the research of my objective the most updated from the company idea. The most updated. So I used the 2013 become the object of my research. And I calculate the tax installment for 2014.
And then, like you know, correction fiscal not easy
Yeah.
to apply company. So, how to apply to company the correction fiscal?
Yeah, building a good relationship with them.
Building relationship, just it.
And in their financial statement have many men. So I easier to make a good relationship. Yeah. And you?
maybe I will continue the question. This is 2014, right? And this is the time for company to report their SPT tahunan. This company already report their SPT tahunan for company tax income. Already?
No,
Not yet.
Not yet.
But you must remember that this is February, and the yeah.
Due date.
Yeah,
The due date.
Yeah, the due date to report the estimate April. Yeah, so you must finish before that.
Yeah.
That time.
So it means that you will finish your TA on before 30 April.
Maybe
You plan to finish it before April 30. Yes.
Maybe the calculation.
Yeah.
The report will be.
Yeah.
It's okay.
Okay, maybe that will be one motivation for you to finish your calculation as soon as possible. So it you make it useful for the company. Okay. Any question? Okay, Krishna.
Yeni, you said that Silat Lidah company should conduct fiscal correction to the company, right? And here I want to ask you, are there any problems to the company that make the company should conduct a fiscal correction? That's all.
thank you for your question. The company policy calculation must to be done in that company because the company still has the cost. The cost is not a tax object of tax, so it must be collected. Maybe collected positive or negative. In a conclusion, that the cost is fiscal done because the cost is not an object of tax must be collected. Selected from the profit before tax to calculate their taxable income.
No, I mean that any any problem faced by the company that make the company should conduct the fiscal correction? It means that you said that before the company done a fiscal correction,
Haven't done.
it means that previous years ago they don't face any problem, right?
Oh, they don't know the calculations, the right calculations with the collection fiscal. So in generally, many people just know the financial statement, but for specific, they don't know how to calculate their fiscal collections. So I want to have socializations with them, with the company, and collecting them their financial statement.
How about if you conduct a fiscal correction to the income tax company that make the income tax of company can be higher than before? What's your opinion about the tax burden itself for the company?
If the company doesn't do the fiscal correction now, the company will give them bigger sanctions. You know that the sanctions penalty is 48% of the underpayment tax. So the company must earlier done the fiscal corrections before they will be taken by the collection center.
So for the company, is it still okay if their profit of company can reduce before they conducted the fiscal correction? Is it still okay for the company if their profit can reduce because conduct a fiscal correction?
Yes.
So it's okay.
It's okay. Already discussed it before.
That's all. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you, Tristan. The next section is question from reviewer. For the first reviewer is from reviewer. It is not here. So we go to Pak Heri. Please, Pak Heri.
Yeah, thank you, Bu Desi. Okay, my first question is, I just want to make sure that the company didn't make correction, fiscal correction before. Right? How many years since the company established?
2009. So until now, 2009.
2009 until 2012.
Until, yeah, 2012.
It is 3 years, right? 3 years of taxation years, right?
Yes.
Okay. We need more effort to change the habit or to change the condition of company. Even that this fiscal correction is by law, it must be do by the company, right? Okay. Can you tell me about your step to make your fiscal correction in Silas Indah Lestari?
Of course, I collecting the data and I calculate.
What kind of data?
The data.
Yeah, that what kind of data?
Accounting method that is used by the company.
Accounting method.
Yeah. And
What is the accounting method?
accounting method.
What do you mean about accounting method?
Yeah, the method that is used by the company before. Like
For example, what is your prediction about the accounting method that company applied?
I must check it before I done the fiscal correction.
Oh, you didn't check it before?
I checked their financial statement.
Okay, and we talk about your prediction or your suggestion or your assumption. How many accounting method maybe the company applies?
What was the accounting method?
No, the accounting method. We talk about accounting method. What kind of accounting method?
Kind is two kinds.
What do you mean with accounting method?
Yeah.
What do you mean with accounting method?
In your style. Okay, I repeat my question. The first time is I asked you about you must tell me about your step. The first step is you will collecting the data. Okay, what kind of data? The first is accounting method. So, what is your mean about
Accounting method.
yeah accounting method in this research, in this SILAS international?
How they are calculating their taxation, the way they calculating the taxation.
How many options?
I don't check it because I just attached the financial statement.
Okay, in your internet, how many accounting method?
Generally, company just use one accounting method.
Yeah, so why we must check just one?
Yeah.
If we just one in our internet, so that's the only accounting method.
Just want to know.
What is that?
I don't take it.
Okay. And what kind of data that can show to you about the accounting method?
The financial statement.
Which one?
The
Which part of it?
Income statement.
Which part of it? Which part about income statement that show you about the accounting method?
The expense. The expense.
The expense.
The cost there is calculated in their income statement.
Okay. How come the expense show you about the accounting method?
Yeah. The cost in that company.
Yeah. How come? How expense can explain to you about the accounting method?
I checked it before. They have employee medical costs. Employee medical costs. They must be collected.
They must be
Collected.
collected.
Yeah.
No. Back to my question. To define about the accounting method of the company, you told to me that you will see the expense in income statement. Okay. How expense can explain to you that about the accounting method that company applied to their accounting transaction or accounting record or accounting process?
How can the expense tell you that?
Okay, the expense because like the company have employee medical cost. That I see from the legislations number Article 9, paragraph 1 and number
If company have non-financial statement, does company have non-financial statement?
they have a commercial statement.
Not financial statement. Not financial statement.
There is no commercial.
They have it?
Yes.
Not to financial statement. Do you know not to financial statement?
Not.
Catatan atas laporan keuangan. Do they have it?
Oh, I didn't have it.
So, okay, if they don't have it, how do you know that? For example, depreciation expense 1 million. How do you know that 1 million depreciation expense? How do you know about the method of accounting from the number of 1 million?
Oh, I discussed it I will discuss it directly from the employee.
So you get the method of accounting from not from data, but there is information that you are collecting from
Yes, from the employee.
But maybe I can
I don't have the
what kind of report, what kind of accounting report that can give you information about the accounting method?
the assets.
No. How many report do you know?
How many reports? Is the income statement, activity statement, the receipt, the cash flow, the reporting as a financial statement.
Not to
Not to
financial.
financial statement.
So from each state report, where you can where?
All the in lots of the financial statement.
Where company have not to
I
financial.
didn't collect with him.
Oh, you did.
But you said you want to make a habit.
No, I didn't have it. Not you. Yes,
But
I
yesterday before, do they have it?
Oh, they have it, but I didn't take it.
Are you sure they have it?
Yeah.
Are you sure they have it? Not to financial.
Not to, yes.
They have it. Okay.
Okay, after you define the accounting method, what's next?
They are calculating, adjusting their financial statement, their income statement, to know that the income expenses must to do maybe positive or negative. So I take their financial statement, actually income statement to do correctly.
How you can adjust?
Their cost
Okay.
by the tax regulation.
Oh, by tax regulation. Okay. After that,
After that, I see the tax regulation is must be very positive or negative, and I must to do the fiscal financial statement.
so your research product is make two kind of reporting.
For this research, of course, I must to do two kinds of reporting.
Okay.
So many.
Can you make sure about your data can help you the currently data or the adequation data from the company can help you to finish your correction?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. My second question.
Only one.
We talk about data analysis techniques. Okay. How you will describe using the descriptive techniques to analyze your research.
Descriptive is to describe the object of my research. When I get it from the financial department, of course it's related to the object in this my research. So I take the financial statement to analyze my data.
Okay. This is the methodology. Okay. About the descriptive, you must input or you must write down your planning. For example, if A more than B, what is the meaning of that? If B same with A, maybe you can expand and you have some planning to descriptive analyze. So because in our requirement for proposal is if you cannot continue to your analyze, then other people can continue your final project. So this is we need more clearly about the descriptive. What you mean is about descriptive. So I think we need to input in your proposal. Okay, the second is quantitative. How you analyze about the quantitative?
Quantitative is I prepare the fiscal financial statement by collecting the commercial financial statement.
So which one you analyze? That's your product. That's your output of your research.
Yeah.
And which one your analyze in correction fiscal report?
Quantitative is analyze the amount of the cost, amount of the expense. Like one expense have the many transactions, but it's input in one account. So I must be analyzing.
Can you give me example about your analyze?
Like the maintenance vehicle cost.
Okay.
The company have the count in their cost, but the cost is have another cost. The first is the cost for purchasing spare parts, and the second is the services for maintenance the vehicle. And the services is imposed by withholding tax Article 23, so it cannot be decreased the taxable amount.
The analyze?
Analyze? Yeah, I must be analyze the transaction.
No. In that case, what's your analyze? What's your analyze about the fact of that?
The fact, of course, the services cannot decrease the taxable income. My analyze.
No, that's just count.
Oh, just count.
Yeah, that's your what will you do about that? It's just count, not analyze. I don't have important information for from your work. If you just do like that, I need more because we talk about data analysis. You just count. Maybe you can do it at your lab, at your laboratory. We talk about final project.
Analysis the object of this research. Like I said before,
I know about your example, but the more step about your example is analyze. From your speech, I didn't find about your analysis.
analyze that can be positive.
After you calculate, after you do fiscal correction, you get the tax amount, yeah. And then from what you have done to this company, what can you suggest to the company from, for example, from the expense? Most of the expense untaxable, undeductible. So from that company expense, you can see that company do a lot of expense, but that is undeductible. So you better to suggest to the company should away from that kind of expense. She can, if the company still need that expense, company should do like this one or this one to make it deductible. This kind of
From one by one of your observation about the correction, fiscal correction, you must give your analysis about that number. If you talk about what did you analyze, and you have told me about your description, okay, you can explain this more. Maybe there is question from this two.
okay.
Any back to who has
Okay, thank you.
Then
Still waiting to hear. Okay, thank you, Daisy. I saw in the page 2, yeah. In the page 2 on the last time. Yeah, your statement is the cost of use explanation. Yeah. So I know if you want to make the correction fiscal, yeah, if you want to make the correction fiscal, so we will give to analyze the profit. Yeah. So if you want to know the profit from the company, we must deduct from the gross profit and then the expense. Yes. So why you make this proposal cost? So maybe you mean the cost is suitable with the expense or different?
The cost is suitable.
Suitable? No.
But the cost is
So in the income statement, they include cost or expense? Expense. Yeah. So in this paper is cost.
Maybe I will make it clear, maybe we don't know what this. In accounting and tax, there are different terms using cost and expense. In tax, we usually say cost.
Yes, cost.
In accounting, we say expense.
Expense. Oh yeah.
So expense in accounting same with
Yeah,
cost in tax.
because I know that the cost in accounting is how we generate the product, yeah, and the expense how we to operating the product until to the customer. Yeah. Okay. So for the tax law is cost. Yeah. Cost suitable with the tax. Oh yeah. Expense. Yes. The next question for me, yeah, question from the Trista, yeah, she said that the company will make the correction fiscal. The year is 2013. Yeah. How about the year before? Yeah. So you answer, the company will be must get sanctioned. Yeah. Okay. So the company is established on 2009 until 2013. Yeah. Do you have the calculation of the sanction? Yeah. Will we get the company about the not make the correction fiscal? Didn't. So you answered that the company you will give the suggestion to the company. Yeah. Yeah. So I think you will give the explanation about the sanction. Yeah. If you make the explanation, so the sanction will be must to give them. Yes. Yeah. So the company will be take your suggestion. If you give to the company the sanction for not give the correction fiscal before years.
I just tell the sanction for the company.
Yeah.
I just tell the sanction.
Sanction. Yeah. So according to your paper, yeah, you have to include the sanction. The sanction in your paper is about the administration sanction, and then the criminal sanction. I want to ask you about this case. Yeah, this case to the company. Yeah, for administration sanction or criminal sanction. Yeah, you have read your proposal about all the law of the correction sanction. Have you read? Yeah, maybe the page number 23. Okay, 23 the criminal sanction. The administrative sanction and the criminal sanction. The page number is 27. So I think you must understand the rule of the sanction. We will give the suggestion to the company before the company make a correction fiscal. So the company will be get your suggestion if you the explanation of the sanction. I think like that. Yeah. Yeah, so I give you time maybe for 3 minutes for the read, or maybe 2 minutes. Only 2 minutes for read the section. Yeah. Read the section. If you want, you can give the solution to the company. Can you? Yes. Okay. Only 2 minutes. Did you understand the statement and the law?
Yes.
Yes. Yep.
The sanctions I will suggest to the company because they cannot deliver their taxations like they don't deliver the expected masa. And the amount of sanctions is
Yeah. So we will make for the first step. Yeah, we will make the classification, administrative or the criminal. Maybe or executive. Oh, what's the article? What's the statement? Yeah.
The administrative sanctions related to.
Yeah, maybe you can show me. You can show me. What is the statement?
Into 2023.
23 in point. Point 1. Okay. 7 paragraph. Okay. According to the law of what? According to the law of what?
Of 36 number 10,
Yeah.
number 2009. 36.
Okay.
The legislation.
Yes, please to explain the paragraph. The 7 paragraph.
The company will suggest the sanctions is the administrative sanction related to fines, is certain kind of fine, illegal fees, because they cannot
Point 1, eh?
Yeah.
In the point 1.
In the point B.
Page number 23. Yeah, yes.
In the point B is other aspect masa. They cannot deliver their.
Point B, other respect to masa. Yeah.
So they.
And the sanction is the 100,000. 100,000 for what year? How many years? How many years? And directly 1,000 or?
I mean that. I'm sorry, sir.
I interested in your proposal. I interested to ask about the section because you give the section. Yeah? If you didn't give the section, I don't ask about it. Yeah, please.
I'm sorry, I change my opinion, my suggestion. I'm sorry. The sanctions are given the related to interest because the company cannot fulfill the right amount of SPT because they didn't have a fiscal.
SPT masa or SPT? Yeah.
It's related to.
It's begun from 2009.
Yes. Just suggestion. It's about the company must do it.
So maybe, yeah. The company will be get the section, get the point C. Yearly SPT PPH, yeah, will pay corporate.
The company already delivered their SPT, but
Have delivered for the year?
For many years. But
Many years.
yeah.
since
Since
2009.
2009. But the correct amount of reporting, because they don't do the fiscal corrections.
So you want to make the calculation only the year of 2013.
Just suggestion for the company.
Just suggestion. So maybe my suggestion is yeah, you make the explanation about the section because you will give the explanation to the company. How about the administration section or the criminal section? Please to study it more. Yeah. Okay, the next question for me. Yes, in the last page, yeah, you have made the attachment for the income statement. Income statement is the financial statement, income statement and capital statement, and then balance sheet. The first, I want to ask about the balance sheet. Balance sheet, it's about the intangible asset. Please check it. Intangible asset. The last page. Okay. I want to learn about the biaya operasional. What about the explanation?
I don't discuss anything for the company. I just request the financial statement.
Yeah, maybe if you get this information, yeah, so you will make the correction fiscal. It's related with the correction fiscal. It's related with the expense, so you can calculate the profit or loss. Yeah? So if I want to ask you for this time, yeah, how about your explanation about it? I thought you only get information, not to analyze it. Yes.
Yes, I just get the information.
Yeah. So
I just
I think
the income statement.
income statement. Just income statement. If I ask about the balance sheet.
I'm not.
So it is a balance sheet, but include the biaya. Biaya, so maybe exactly in the income statement, not balance sheet. No. Balance sheet in the last page. Yeah, neraca.
I just check the textbook.
You didn't analyze this? Okay. So, if you finish this seminar, we will analyze this for the expense, all the expense in the company, yeah? Especially for the amortization. Yeah? Amortization is the intangible asset because for the intangible asset, suitable with the base apa number? Did you remember? 19. Okay. Yeah. According to the base apa number 19, it said that intangible asset has the detail about the research and development. Yeah, I think about the research and development. So, if we research, yeah, if the case of the research, yeah, we cannot make it the cost of the intangible asset. Yes, and if the case is the development, yeah, and suitable with the base number 19, yeah, has some criteria. Okay, you can break it before you make the correction fiscal. Okay? Okay. Yeah. Finish.